All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make wooden tools in Minecraft. So I currently have a crafting table that is currently in front of me. If you don't know how to make a crafting table, what you need to do is put 4 blocks in your crafting and you'll get the crafting table. Now, in order to make a wooden sword, all you need to do is simply go ahead and put 1 stick down on the bottom. Then you want to put 2 planks on the top, which will give you a wooden sword. If you want to make a pickaxe, you want to put 2 sticks on the bottom and then 3 planks on the top, which will give you a pickaxe. If you want to make a hoe, you want to simply go ahead and put 2 sticks and then 2 planks just like that in either direction. Now, if you want to make an axe, you want to simply go ahead and put 2 sticks again, then 3 planks just like that, or you could put 3 planks just like that. It's the same thing. Now, if you want to know how to make a bow, you want to simply go ahead and put just like that. Remove both of these. And now you want to simply go ahead and put your string here and you'll get a bow. So it is as simple as that. If I think I missed a shovel, all you need to do is put 2 sticks and a plank, and there you go. All your wooden tools are right over here. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.